In the assembly line, we will arrange the work according to the workflow. The products produced by using automatic line should be large enough. The product design and process should be advanced, stable, and reliable, and remain basically unchanged in a longer period of time. Before the products are shipped, we will conduct systematic reliability test period to ensure that the products are in the best condition. And our products will be stored in this 2,000 square feet warehouse with unified management. While pursuing excellence and being at the forefront of the times, anyone will also adhere to the original intention of quality first.